It's a new 2018 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. It comes with all the amenities you need: V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, engine auto stop start feature, active grille shutters, integrated navigation system with voice activation, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, aluminum wheels, rear-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.